Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in printing zigzag traversal of a tree. First, let us take an example. As you can see, the zigzag traversal of this tree will be 1, 3, 2, 7, 6, 5 and 4. Now, let us see the algorithm. This problem can be solved using two stacks. Assume the two stacks are current, current level and next level. We would also need a variable to keep track of the current level order. We pop from the current level stack and print the node's value. Whenever the current level order is from left to right, push the node's left child then its right child to the stack next level. Since a stack is a last in first out structure, next time when nodes are popped off next level, it will be in the reverse order. On the other hand, when the current level order is from right to left, we would push the node's right child first, then its left child. Finally, we swap the two stacks. Now, let us see the algorithm. In every iteration, we have nodes of one level in one of the stacks. We print the nodes and push nodes of next level in other stack. Let's also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, to zigzag traversal function, so root will point to 1. Since root is not null, we create two stacks, current level and next level. Next, we push the root node, which is 1, into the current level stack. We take a boolean left to right variable and initialize it to true. Since current level stack is not empty, we enter the while loop and take a temp variable which will point to the top of stack current level. Next, we pop element from current level stack. Now, we check if temp is not null. As it is true, we print temp's data, so 1 will be printed. Next, we check if left to right is true. As it is true, we push the left and right of temp into the next level stack, so 2 and 3 will be pushed. Now, we check if current level stack is empty. As it is true, we set left to right to false and swap current level stack with next level. We continue with the while loop as the stack is not empty. Now temp will point to top of current level, which is 3, and 3 will be popped. Since temp is not null, we print temp's data, so 3 will be printed. Now as left to right is false, we go to the else part and push the right and left of temp into next level stack, so 6 will be pushed. Now as current level stack is not empty, the last if condition is not satisfied and we continue with the while loop. So temp will point to 2 and 2 will be popped from current level stack. Since temp is not null, the if condition is satisfied and we print temp, so 2 will be printed. As left to right is false, we go to the else part and push the left and right of 2 into the stack. Since right of 2 does not exist, we push the left child of 2, which is 4. So 4 will be pushed into the next level stack. As current level stack is empty, we set left to right to true and swap current level stack with next level. We continue with the while loop as current level stack is not empty. So temp will point to 4 and 4 will be popped. As temp is not null, we print 4. Now left to right is true. The inner if condition is satisfied, but 4's left and right are null, so nothing will be pushed. Also, As current level stack is not empty, we omit the last if condition and continue with the while loop. So temp will point to 6 and 6 will be popped. Since temp is not null, we print temp's data. So 6 will be printed. As left to right is true, but 6 is a leaf node, so nothing is pushed into the stack. Also, as current level stack is empty, we set left to right to false and swap current level stack with next level. Now, as current level stack is empty, we break out of the while loop and we have the final output. Now, let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here, n are the number of nodes in the binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.